Welcome back to The Explainer. If you've been tracking the AI landscape lately, you know things are moving at absolutely breakneck speed. But today, today we're looking at something that fundamentally changes how we actually create. Whether you're an absolute beginner trying to bring a story to life, or a seasoned digital marketer who needs robust campaign assets fast, this Explainer is built perfectly for you. Let's get into Google's new Gemini Omni.
So picture this. Imagine leaving behind the struggle of juggling a dozen fragmented AI tools. Think about that incredible frustration of spending hours generating a clip, only to realize the lighting is slightly off or a character is just in the wrong spot. You used to have to start completely from scratch. It's exhausting, right? But what if you could just tell the system, hey, change the lighting to late afternoon, or move that character to the left, and boom, it just happens. That is the revolutionary promise of Gemini Omni.
Here is our roadmap for today's journey. 1. Meet Gemini Omni. 2. How the architecture works. 3. Conversational video editing. 4. Omni versus the competition. And 5. Strategies for digital marketers.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Meet Gemini Omni. Our sources frequently describe this new unified creation tool using this, rather unique phrase, nano banana for video. I know. As funny and utterly strange as that sounds out loud, it actually perfectly highlights a crucial shift in the industry. If you've ever used AI image generators, you already know how incredibly easy it is to tweak a single picture step by step until it matches your vision. Omni brings that exact same conversational ease directly to video. It's a single, powerful interface where you can build and fine-tune dynamic creations. You're no longer just rolling the dice with a single text prompt and hoping for the best. You are literally stepping into the director's chair.
To really grasp what makes Omni such a game changer, we have to understand that it's natively multimodal. And natively is absolutely the key word here. It doesn't covertly translate one thing to another behind the scenes. It naturally accepts any input, text, audio, an image, or a video clip, and generates realistic video scenes right back at you, all in the same breath. You can hand it a rough sketch, upload a voiceover track you just recorded on your phone, type out a quick text prompt detailing the mood, and it instantaneously weaves the whole shebang together. It completely tears down the technical barriers of traditional video editing.
Which brings us to Section 2, How the architecture works.
So Gemini Omni isn't just generating colored pixels that happen to look pretty. It's actually running on what's called a world knowledge engine. Let's say you prompt a character dropping an object. Omni fundamentally understands real-world physics, gravity, and kinetic energy. If you ask it to generate a glass ball rolling off a wooden table, it calculates the arc of the fall, the weight of the glass, and the exact bounce based on real physics. It even has deep fluid dynamics awareness and historical context reasoning. This means your creative requests yield incredibly complex results that actually make logical, physical sense.
This intense physics simulation is all made possible because the system relies on a dense, four-layer architecture. You have deep reasoning, powered by the Pro models for complex logic. You've got lightning-fast generation with the Flash models, making it incredibly snappy and responsive. Then there's the Live layer for seamless interaction and the on-device Nano layer for local processing. Because of this massive engine, we really need to emphasize how absolutely crucial your prompts are. Your text prompts aren't just mere suggestions anymore, they are the steering wheel. A well-crafted prompt gives you absolute, directional control over reality itself within your video.
Let's see how that plays out in Section 3, Conversational Video Editing.
With Omni, you don't just type out a paragraph, hit generate, and cross your fingers. You use a turn-based loop. It's exactly like chatting with a human editor sitting right next to you at a desk. Step 1 is just planning your scene. Step 2 is your initial prompt to get the ball rolling. Step 3 is evaluating what the AI gives you back. But Step 4? That's where the magic happens. You refine it conversationally. You look at the clip and just tell the AI, make it cinematic, or add a glowing street lamp to the left side, and it updates intelligently without losing the core subject you started with.
Our sources highlight a completely perfect example of this conversational loop in action. A creator started by generating a standard, beautiful clip of a violinist playing in a room. Then, they simply told the AI to change the background to a grassy field. Next, they asked it to make the violin itself completely invisible, leaving the musician playing empty air. Finally, they swapped the camera to a dramatic over-the-shoulder angle. The model seamlessly nailed multiple, highly distinct conversational edits, one after the other, and kept the human character perfectly consistent across every single frame. It's literally like having a full production crew inside your chat box.
That leads us perfectly into Section 4, Omni vs the competition.
The AI video space is packed right now for sure. You have brilliant competitors like Seance 2.0 and Kling that excel at generating incredibly beautiful, realistic single shots. But they rely heavily on a single shot prompting workflow. If you want a character to stay consistent across scenes or just change a minor detail, you usually have to use complex storyboarding and ultimately stitch things together in a totally separate editing app. Omni's unique defining advantage is its unified ecosystem. You stay entirely in one space. You generate the image, animate it, add the voice, and edit the camera angle without ever leaving the Google platform. It completely stops you from having to duct tape 5 different apps together just to finish a 10-second clip.
Okay, let's get highly practical in Section 5, Strategies for Digital Marketers.
Let's map out exactly how you can leverage Omni's specific features to build robust brand campaigns with maximum efficiency. If your goal is a rock-solid, consistent brand identity, you can upload a single avatar or image reference, and Omni will cast that exact character flawlessly across entirely different video environments. Need to do rapid A/B testing? Use that turn-based loop we talked about to instantly swap out a bustling city background for a serene beach background in seconds. For custom merch promos, Omni has an incredibly powerful mocap tool. You can seamlessly place your brand's new logo onto a moving subject shirt. And for complex educational content, you can actually combine your written prompts with rough storyboard sketches to guarantee the AI hits your exact visual marks perfectly.
By radically streamlining the workflow, totally removing the friction of app switching, and letting you edit via natural conversation, sources estimate that Omni promises to cut overall production time by 30 to 50% on common editing tasks. To put that into perspective, that is a massive, game-changing shift in ROI. You are moving away from managing the tedious, technical labor of video production and stepping fully into simply managing the creative vision itself.
So we've explored how Gemini Omni's natively multimodal engine understands the physics of our world. We've seen how its turn-based loop changes the paradigm of editing forever, and exactly how professionals can leverage its unified ecosystem to work faster and way smarter. Armed with this incredible new tool and the strategies to master it, your quest is genuinely just beginning. The tech is here, the barriers are gone, so what incredible reality are you going to build today?